Hey everyone, Christy with Anchor Life 5. Thanks for stopping by, joining me for a few minutes today. Welcome everyone. I am holding a 1 year on YouTube / 700 subscriber challenge giveaway. I started YouTube in July of last year of 2017, and I am about 2 subscribers away from 700. And I am so excited. This has been such an incredible, exciting, fulfilling journey, adventure for me. And I have met some amazing people here on YouTube. And so I wanted to do a challenge / giveaway for all of you. So let's get to the giveaway part first, and then I'll go over the challenge, because I know the giveaway is the big thing, and I'm really excited to to share with you all what I've put together for you. So I have a medium flat rate priority box here, and it will be full. It's going to be full of some handmade items from me and some store-bought items. So let's dig in and get started. The first thing the winner is going to get is a traveler's notebook. Of course, because this is what I do. This is my passion right now, are making the traveler's notebooks, and so I wanted to share one with you. This is a small pocket size one. It is laminated. It's got the little pom-pom and believe and a little stone right here. We're just going to do a really quick flip through because I want to share everything with you. You've got some cut aparts. Sorry about the coughing again. You've got your shaker. And you've got 3 notebooks right here. And there is a folder with 2 pockets. You've got 2 pockets right here. You've got a dashboard. There is your next notebook. You've got a page marker, the other side of your dashboard, and your last notebook. So really quickly, there is this, and it is handmade by me. The next thing is a chunky charm or a purse charm or just a beaded embellishment, whatever you want to call it. This is also made by me. It is on a silver chain with a silver lobster clasp. These gorgeous blue beads, and this really matches this quite well. Down here you have 3 different flower charms in there. Really pretty. I love the colors. I love the beads in there. So there is that. In here, and all this will be packaged up a lot prettier. I just kind of put it all in there so I could show you all. You have a collection of paper clips that I made here. Some bow paper clips. So you have the red, and this is like glittery, sparkly paper. You have a white, a silver, pink, purple, and a gold on a black clip. So you will be getting a set of those. This is also made by me. It is a little keychain right here with these really pretty pink beads on it. So you've got that as well. I put you in 2 of these feather pens that I got from the Dollar Tree. A cute little dish right here that I got at Hobby Lobby today, and it says enjoy the little things. You have a set of cards and envelopes from the Paper Studio. This is the gold confetti, and there are, I think there's 12 in here. And then you've got your envelope seals as well for that. You have a little box right here full of some ephemera, Just a lot of really cute ephemera. I forgot the collection that this was from, but the whole kind of theme for this box is like, you know, living free, living a good life, that kind of thing. I also put you in one of these little boxes that I got from the Dollar Tree. Oh, it's sealed up, but it's got binder clips and page flags and little tape, some paper clips, and some rubber bands. I filled up 2 of these great little containers. This one is full of the flat back pearl gems. So you've got your mint, your peach, gray, your turquoise, pink, and your white. And these are great little containers too. They're the art bin from Hobby Lobby. And in this one right here, you've got some really, really cute flower embellishments. You've got 2 hearts, and they're actually stickers. You've got some mini tassels. This one is a bunch of different charms that have sayings on them: love, be brave, unstoppable. And then this one is full of some birds, really pretty little bird ones. And then this section is full of traveling charms. So you've got both of those in the great little bins. You've got a set of clear stamps here. Enjoy the journey. Life's an amazing adventure. Stay true to yourself. Follow your dreams. This is by Stampabilities from Hobby Lobby. And you've got a couple of stickers here. This magic moment documented. It's a beautiful day. Take a leap of faith. Say yes, keep it simple. And this one, heart and soul. Explore, be happy today. I believe these were from, I think these were Michael's. I'm not sure. You've got these jot stickers with the feathers. And these are puff lace, really, really nice stickers from Dollar Tree. And then a package of sayings. So you get all those stickers. And then I have you a little notebook here. This is from Dollar Tree. It says you've got this. This is a great notebook because it's got the craft paper, and then it's also got white paper in the back. And then we have a little feather pouch right here. A little clear feather pouch. And then I have a ton of 6x6 paper, a bunch of different collections. Whoops. So there are some really, really nice, pretty papers in here. You can't really see them all, but there are some really, really pretty ones. If I can figure out how to do a flip through here. Because they're not attached, they're all single, but you get the picture, guys. There are just a lot of really nice papers. I'm not sure how many I have in there, but you can see it's a nice big stack. Much more than just a regular paper pad. So that is what I have right now. Like I said, I probably will be adding some things to this as I go. Probably some more handmade items and definitely some more store-bought items because I want this box to be completely full for the winter. So that is the giveaway part. Now the challenge part. Of course, you have to be 18 or older, a visible subscriber. You can be a new subscriber. That is wonderful. If this is your first video that you are watching, welcome, and I hope you participate. I will be posting it on Instagram also, but the winner will be picked from YouTube. The challenge part is to send anything. Just send anything. It can be handmade, it can be store-bought, it can be a combination of both. Whatever you want to send. It can be something little like a handmade paper clip. You know, something from you. That would, you know, that's all I'm asking. please don't spend a lot on mailing, you know, something in an envelope, just a regular envelope, you know, something. I don't want people to not want to participate because of shipping, because trust me, I know shipping is ridiculous. So like I said, guys, it can be something little, it can be something handmade, something store-bought, whatever you feel like sending in. 18 years or older, US only, visible subscriber. Entries must be received by July 31st, and the winner will be picked on August 1st. So there you go, guys. If you have any questions, just, you know, leave a comment down below and I will answer them. If you do participate, you know, do a VR. Send some more people to my channel. I would absolutely love that. I would really love to get to 1,000 subscribers. So do a VR. Let other people know about it. Like I said, you can be a brand new subscriber. That is awesome, as long as I know, you know, that you are a subscriber. So, yeah, and then if you do send something in, send me an email, and I will add my email address in the comments, but it is anchorlife505. Ooh, anchorlife05@gmail.com. I will add it in the comments, but here it is also. So if you wanted to take a quick snapshot, send me an email at anchorlife05@gmail.com, and I will give you my address. So that's it, guys. Thanks for stopping by. I really appreciate it. And once again, thank you to everyone for all of your help, all of the love and incredible friends that I made here. And I hope to make a whole lot more. So until next time, bye, guys.